This is one out of many tutorials that is to be posted to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, how do we locate the hashtag key on a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So, in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and the rest is history. So, let's now focus on the desktop. Command space for a spotlight search, and for you to locate the hashtag key on the keyboard, option and number 3. This will then bring up the hashtag key, and we know how important the hashtag is in today's day and age. Type a word with a hashtag, post that online, it becomes a clickable link for you to click and then see all these searches that have been made by users on every platform, whether it's video sharing platforms, photo sharing platforms, and so on. So, command space to come out of the spotlight search. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.